What is Measure LS? Measure LS is the Lancaster School District classroom repair and school safety measure that will appear on your November 5th ballot. What health and safety upgrades are included in Measure LS? If enacted, Measure LS funding will upgrade our schools to meet health codes, improve student safety and campus security, and provide facilities needed to support high-quality instruction. There are more than 300 portable classrooms at our schools. Many are more than 25 years old and are falling apart, including structural damage and water leaks. If enacted, Measure LS funds will replace decaying portables with modern, permanent classrooms. How much will it cost? Measure LS is a $122 million school bond measure. If passed, it will cost homeowners 3 cents per $100 of assessed value. Thank you for making an informed decision, and remember to vote on November 5th.